Guys, welcome back to Benidorm, man. Slightly cooler day today, guys. However, when you do get out that sun, yeah, it goes cold. Before I do forget, guys, huge shout out to the crazy Scottish nutcase Starkey and his wife Janet. So JJ's had a pint with him, had a bit of a chinwag and all. All I got to say is, up yours, as he told me to say apparently. And yeah, thanks for the chat, Starkey. It's really sort of opened my eyes to maybe what I'm doing wrong with YouTube. Anyway, of course, Hotel Nero there. Beautiful hotel from what I've heard. Part of the survey group as well. Nice hotel. Quite central hotel as well. I mean, you're not too far from the street. Tons of shops along here. Okay, back to video. Further up there you do past the supermarket. Shut up, of course, and don't be fooled where it says that everything euro. Yeah, not everything's euro. As found out with most of the pound shops back in the UK. I imagine many of you will remember that sort of dispute with the pound shops back in England claiming everything's a pound. Then, yeah, not everything was a pound. Right till the bus goes past there. Indoor market just there. Great place. Of course, Calais Londres. Tons of great bars up there, guys. KFC on corner as well, if you are looking for a bite to eat. Is of course as well the KFC where that scooter caught fire last year. One of the weirdest stories I've heard. Of course, across the road from KFC is Immerse supermarket. Going to be a bit of a longish video, this one. Vape shop there as well, Vapor Bros. New Indian restaurant as well. Anyway, as I was saying, going to be a bit of a long video, this one, because I am going to try take a walk up to by where the old dear supermarket used to be. Hair shop there. Tons of different stuff, wigs, hair dryers, hair dye. Going to be dyeing my hair again soon, guys. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to see my new crazy colour. Just sort of taking a walk up the sort of main road and the Rincon end. Coming up on Hotel Dynastic. We've read mixed reports on that. Some are saying it is quite a good place to stay, whereas others are saying, yeah, it's not the best hotel. Even heard a report about them charging people to use the swimming pool. I mean, I thought like the swimming pool would sort of be included with the price you pay for the hotel, but apparently not. My Chips restaurant down there, the new sort of American diner-styled restaurants that are hitting Benidorm. Let me know if you've tried them, guys. Closed till the 31st of January. Looks quite expensive if I'm being honest. Chicken burger £5.99, cheeseburger €7, jumbo cone of chips €6, or you can get like a meal deal type thing, which I imagine is like a burger, chips and kind of pop. Cheeseburger meal deal €9. Yeah, let me know what you think of that, guys. I will show you a place that is worth the money. We've got the Paradiso restaurant just here if you are looking for a bit of an upper class meal out. Best place to go, that. Does seem as well like there's a lot of sort of kids in Benidorm. Not sure whether it is to do with the Benidorm vs Coldplay match coming up soon. They do kind of seem like footballers. So yeah, I imagine that's why there's a lot of them about in Benidorm. So yeah, come on Benidorm, win that match. Before I forget as well, Hotel Dynastic is just there. Looks a nice hotel. Then we do have Big Ben restaurant further up in the Union Jack restaurant, which looks closed today. Simply the best as well. To my right, say they're Spain's answer to Greg's. Yeah. All I'm gonna say about that. Just behind there is Hotel Regente. Gonna try be a bit nosy. Let you have a little peek. That's a pool for the Regente. Now, I will just say, guys, I'm not really too sure about the Regente, because it is kind of backing out onto the main road. So, yeah, chilling around the pool area might not really be too relaxing. Still got quite a while to go up until we get sort of by deer. So, well done if you're still watching. You know what, I think I might do deer in a separate video, guys. So I'm going to finish off with a few of the beautiful sun terrace Benidorm. Here's the question of the day, of course. Who remembers when it used to be the old Irish music tavern? Going back, God, maybe about 4 years there? 2 years. Going back 2 years, so anyway guys, smash that like, smash the subscribe as well. See you soon.